Anxiety can feel like an overwhelming storm that you can't escape. No matter how hard you try, it can make even the smallest tasks feel monumental, and your mind races with worries that seem impossible to quiet. But what if there was a way to break free from this constant cycle of stress and fear, without medication or expensive therapy sessions? The secret might be simpler than you think. Mindfulness meditation. This powerful practice has been shown to help reduce anxiety, calm the mind, and bring a sense of peace. If you're tired of feeling trapped in the grip of anxious thoughts, mindfulness meditation might be the key to healing. The challenge: why anxiety feels unmanageable. Anxiety is more than just a fleeting worry. It's a persistent feeling of unease that often makes you feel like you're stuck in fight or flight mode. The challenge: our minds are constantly focused on the future or rehashing the past, making it nearly impossible to relax in the present moment. This cycle of overthinking can worsen anxiety, creating a never-ending loop of stress. But here's the good news: you can train your mind to break free from this cycle. Mindfulness meditation is a proven tool that helps you reconnect with the present moment, quiet your racing thoughts, and restore inner peace. How mindfulness meditation helps heal anxiety. 1. Focus on the present moment. One of the core principles of mindfulness is learning to stay present, instead of getting lost in anxious thoughts about what could happen or what has already happened. Mindfulness teaches you to bring your awareness back to the here and now. This simple shift can reduce the constant mental noise and ease feelings of anxiety. 2. Breathe through the stress. Mindful breathing is a powerful tool in reducing anxiety. By focusing on your breath, you activate the body's relaxation response. This slows your heart rate, reduces stress hormones, and calms the mind, allowing you to better manage feelings of anxiety when they arise. 3. Cultivate compassion for yourself. Mindfulness meditation encourages a non-judgmental attitude toward your thoughts and feelings. Instead of beating yourself up for a feeling anxious, you learn to accept those feelings without criticism. Over time, this can reduce the intensity of anxiety and help you respond to stress in a more balanced way. 4. Train your brain for calm. Studies have shown that regular mindfulness practice can physically change the structure of your brain, specifically in areas related to emotional regulation and stress response. This means that over time, mindfulness can rewire your brain to respond with more calm and less anxiety. Even in stressful situations, you don't need hours of meditation to start feeling the benefits. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day can be enough to reduce anxiety and shift your mindset. Consistency is key. By making mindfulness a regular practice, you'll gradually notice greater emotional balance and a deeper sense of calm.